at the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be playing a recording. This jail recording, and yes, you heard me right, jail recording, man that jail, I discuss things with man that road, right, with other man where they are jail too, in a different cell. Oh yes, you know Jamaica's a Netflix movie already. It concerns none other than the Bird Nation, man them. Why am I doing this video? You see, recently, you might have heard about the 10-year-old youth who lost his life on College Smith Drive, Jaheim Bogle. How did that happen? Well, if you had watched the video, right, detailing who do it and why them do it, you would know, but you probably didn't watch the video because you probably don't care about no 10-year-old or no 7-month-old. But you're here now, so better late than never. See, there was a 87 from the Bird Nation who had lost his life. Kodo. And after them bury my bullby, them gone upon wild man apps, leg off, be a wild rounds, and them end up hit the little youth. Lost his life. Now, you see, one of the things like that, I take it very, very personal. Even though I don't know Jaheim Bogle, and I don't have to know Jaheim Bogle or any other pitney in Jamaica, who these criminals, right, sent to an early grave. But I still take it personal, and then now I have to go back through the file cabinet because, trust me, Bird Nation, you don't even know the half. Or just so much things we have compiled, waiting, right, for true off for you. You see, Bird Brain, they're foreign. People are telling him things, people are gas him up, make him feel confident. No more man, Sir P, no more, so soon. Come have a look at a plan. Look at a plan. If you know what I mean, you know the whole under digger hole right now. So Bonnie, when time me done, put up on standby from the last video. Because Missy say, after what happened to Jaheim Bogle, I have to go dig back into the file and dig up some of them exhibits there. So Bird Brain, just like me tell you upon, hurry up and make one look move. So we can really get down to business. Look on the screen. Codino McIntosh, as me say, I even them claim to them I go kill Batman for and take out young Jaheim Bogle. Now, some writings there under the sunset, but you probably can't make out. Right. I go read it for you, and then I go play the audio recording. Right. Look on your screen closely. That right there is a message from Bird Brain to Kodo. Fly with the eagles, my son. You know, Bird Brain did really check for Kodo. So much so that, you know, them, you know, for them thing already, we go different it. We go drive back my ends and wet up, man. And that's how Jaheim Bogle get caught in the madness. Fly with the eagles, my son. You must have been fly with the JANKROs. Fly with which eagles? Bird Brain. You know what? I'm gonna go straight into the audio. Because everything say I saw. I'm not gonna just make the little you lose him life and then it's been another 3-day story and we'll move on and go on to the next topic. Negative. Negative. And ultimately, Bird Brain, this fall upon your shoulder. Bonnie, oh boy. Remember that video? Mention Bonnie. Right? Listen to this voice recording. The people in my ear talk, one of them are the same Bonnie. Right? When we talk about from the previous video, when we tell him say things will get spooky. Right? The next person is a youth named Siva. Right? The next youth is Merman. Yes, Merman. Now listen to this phone conversation, and I'm going to cut in every now and then, just so that people understand how I go on, because obviously most listeners are not going to know the context of the conversation, right? So listen up closely. PIA Special Ops. Oh, and by the way, that's Merman on the left and Bonnie on the right. Bonnie is Birdman right hand, and Merman is Bonnie's right hand. Merman is currently behind bars. He's one of the people in my act, or he's the person who act as mediator in this conversation. He might talk to Siva and Bunny also depend on next call. It's a three-way conversation. Listen up.
As I reach at the end, I'm done. I'm a big brother. So you never have nothing otherwise. You never have nothing otherwise.
So where you say Siva? Where you say Siva? The man them set you up then?
Yeah, dog. So right now, man willing to do anything, brother. You don't know who here say me and Bunny chat, brother.
That me assure you, know, Siva, you know, in the end of the day, you know, we give you a heart in it, brother. You would know no man from our ground would have never set you up in that. Charge, you don't know from where you are linking it.
Just so you're following, the person will say, hey, you're messing a Siva. That's Bunny. The person will say, Charge, we will never set you up. That's Merman. Right. And you can obviously tell who is Siva in the conversation. Now, Siva, right, is Badart 87. Right. Remember, Badart and Birdman, them at it. Right. A Badart them, right, they run the ops where, remember the big triple murder on Lincoln, that was Badart them at. Not only that, Badart them used to hold on upon some rifle, right, for Birdman. And then, them toss up go on, right, man fall out, and they decides that them a hold on the rifle them now give them back the Birdman, right? So now them a try ask Siva who, well they're going to the conversation. Just want to give you some context, right? So remember, Badart them hold on Birdman them rifle and now get back. Badart them wipe out 3 a Birdman 87 them one time, now the big triple murder. Listen up.
You know, yeah, you master. Yeah. Can't get. I'm gonna hear you. Wow, in a night, where the marsh there? On the marsh. Yeah, suppose to have the marsh. Yeah, suppose to. Never put JANKRO.
So you must say, who have the marshy? Bunny or ask Siva, who have the marshy? What is the marshy? The marshy is code name for the AR, right, that belonged to Bucky Marshall. Right. The rifle literally named after Bucky Marshall. That's why it's called the marshy. Right. When time they split up go on, and the man named Wallan upon the rifle him, right, that originally, right, a Bucky Marshall lock. Now that's the next set of man them of it, and Siva is a link with them set of man there, right. Now them are asked him, right, because basically them are try to turn him against Fim side. So them are ask him say, who have the marshy? Because he may not know, because a Fim boys them. Now if you listen closely and you go hear further in the audio, Siva is clearly very afraid. Siva that jail too, but in a one different cell. Merman that jail in a one different cell. Bunny the road. And when I realize a jail this whole thing I play out, you know. So a Merman I try get, right, Siva, right, and Bunny, right, I try get Siva to tell them about who have the marshy. Now listen up, they are going to hear other people in the back of the cell because they might try go to Siva not have no actual phone for himself. Mafia use people's phone. Listen up.
What jail is supposed to be? Brother, stop telling man them what's supposed to tell the man them where you tell them that. Brother, oh me go there so I know where the police hold me. Madden, well, tell the man them where they tell the man them where they. So who you know now, man? Can you know who now, man? Who now, man? Madden, remember say you watch it now. You know say I just now, man. The black man, you man, you know.
By the way, remember that name, Bucky Marshall. Right. You're going to hear it very, very soon. Right. The same Marshall them I talk about? Remember I did the video where I said, right, 87's them head look like when egg drop, right, the two youth them will, you know, get caught out. Right. Police will lift them up and things are drop on the ground, and I told you this scene was very gruesome. it was the same Marshy do that to them. The same Marshy mash up the two youth them head. But it on the other side now, them still want it back. Right? As in Bird Nation man, them still want it back. But the next man, them use it for mash up. Right? Anyway, listen to the audio recording. PIA Special Ops.
So
Yo, go so. You might reconnect.
I said, wow, one of the team them back in the night. So, watching on that game, I said, so, what going with the clean man? Exchange the clean man and get 3 matic. 3 months. Wait,
again, you hear him mention exchange the twin man and get 3 matic. Where the twin man? Where the twin man? That's also code name for another rifle. Right? Where them did roll on that one belong to again twin man. Right? Look at twin. Right? So you see them name the rifle them after the man them. So the Marshy belong to Bucky Marshall in the like that, and the twin man, right, that belong to the twin. But in did end up dead, so, and they left the rifle them. So Marshy and twin man, they left them rifle. Right? But the rifle them still name after the man them. So that's why I must say, yo, where them dead, them still want it back. And as I hear the you just mention by the name.
So which part exactly there? Who like it? Who like it? Cause.
If we make him a rifle, and from day one when the bigger man them, the whole of we did him a rifle. So we are telling me, say, him not a rifle in position. But fuck him and tell me that. He say, I either I'll come and take man for brother. Brother, I'm going to take it for either when I look or somebody or anything.
Cause, yeah, what the man has said, cause, man.
So here and after, so where's one of the rifle?
No, who are like the twin man in a bad heart here?
So right this it becomes clear, say, the rifle matter about who are like the twin man in a bad heart yard. Now remember earlier in the video, him that tell the youth say, no worry man, you know we wouldn't set you up. There's no loyalty amongst the 87s. You think, when the thing say the phone trip and record itself, why would they want forget the youth? Pan audio recording, I say certain things. See what? As a 87, know the game work, and if him take them time and in a conversation with them man, yeah, knowing how them man operate and thinks him never do use it back on him. Well, I guess Siva must buy unicorns. And fortunately, man trip and slide on a banana skin and audio file flip and dash out in the ear and apps just so happen to drop right in the hands of the PIA Special Ops. Right. Listen to the rest.
Who are lucky? Oh, so in the him asleep then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it's gonna program go for you, man, brother. Then this man can't get no more call and charge. I'm gonna tell this brother, this man can't get no more out there, brother. Tell them no what going out there, brother. I hear that charge.
Fanboy, hear what me answer now, fanboy. No, yeah, fanboy, hear what me answer now, man. When you can give him call for chat to him mother, man. But no differently. No man charge it. No man, him no need for talk to no man. His mother. When him talk to his mother, when he just give him a call, man, you see.
I'm not gonna stop it yourself now, but I'm just gonna say, Merman, how very empathetic of you, right? You know, see, Merman, I say, he can't get a call, man. He can't call his mother. Because, you see when I go on the phone, you know, with the man, I say, the man can't get no more call. I wonder if you realize, say, no 87 got jail. Right. And depending upon how the jail system set up, depending upon how much of them rivals in a jail, right, man end up controlling life. Because the man tell him he can't get no more call and see if it's 87. police them all him with gun in him house and all kind of things and him get charged and guess what? In a jailhouse, cause the man them outnumber him, right? Then basically I bully him. I tell him say you can't get no more call. But Merman, right? Being the great humanitarian, the jailhouse humanitarian is, I said no man. He can call him mother. Merman feel sorry for him, but nobody else. Can't call nobody else. Yeah. Like Siva is having a rough time in the jailhouse. Said. Yeah. But that's the reality of badness. But I said them set him up. Cause them want him. Cause remember, guess what gonna happen when Feme side, right? Cause this already out there you know. But guess what when Feme side go here now say, he might tell them which part the twin man lock and which part the Marshy lock. Guess what gonna happen with poor Siva? Boy, Siva it rough. Right. Big setup. Out there already. But Siva the behind bars, so him safer behind bars. Right now, if them probably half him bail, him probably don't even take it. Big setup going. Anytime I 87 tell you say you can't trust me man, you know so we never gonna set you up. Just take with yourself. Somebody can't trust 87s. Somebody can't trust gunman. But don't want to 87 ask me what's 2 plus 2. Now have no conversation with me. What? All goes back to bird brain. This is just the warm up. Stretch for a stretch, the race now run it. Just the one to hear this a good conversation. By the way, the picture them on your screen when you look on, Merman on the left, Bunny on the right. But no one know where me get them from? A music video. Your favorite 87s are so simple. The man them in a music video. The song is by a artist called Lola Smiles, Lola Smiles, featuring your favorite artist, of course. And the title of the song is Power of Love. Right? And within the first 15 to 20 seconds, I wonder if we realize how much shoot another video be 87 on the video. Enough of them man are 87. Bunny, big 87 and pose up in a music video. Merman, and him have on the Tommy Hilfiger looking hoodie on him head. A couple 87 from Bird Nation with the night. Hold on. Who that in the hot one I bought there? Who that Flash Garden? A flash that? I'm gonna put on my glasses next time. Cause surely my eyes have deceived me. So much 87 in a music video. Anyway, we know them love video light. Well, now I get it. Except this is not the kind of video light that make the kerosene and run towards you. Kind of video light will shine upon you. A lot of coincidences, quote unquote coincidences, tend to follow right after. But everything good still. And Bunny, before I end the video, Bahamas not that far here. We know it over there already and then you drop back a yard and we know you have the links and man you have back and forth and honey, as the man of the road and govern certain things, the man that on the ground, a yard and govern certain things. Just know say the Jaheim Bogle incident has triggered a chain of events where, well, we're gonna see how it turn out. Let me leave this one right just for now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, no life. Vulture squad, where they look like Birdie send word for big up Vulture squad. Can you say fly with the eagles, my son? Fly with the Vulture squad. Bless.